When you make a girlfriend, some tips you need to understand. So I hope you already make a girlfriend, and if you didn't, so please go and watch my video on why you should make a girlfriend. In this video, we are going to talk about what is the disadvantages of having a girlfriend. I know you would say, bro, you are a hypocrite. Remember, I'm not biased. I don't have any parties to support this and that. I'll just show what I know. I can't stay in one party. Like you can say me Dalla. Yes, you can. I'm like that. I can't support only one person. Both have pros and cons. That's what I talk about. I can't say this is right and this is wrong. No. I would say this is right and wrong also, and this is wrong and right also. So I never support anyone. I just show you the true thing of both of this. What is advantages and what is disadvantages. Now we will talk about what is the disadvantages of having a girlfriend. If you got a girlfriend, then number one thing is you will waste your lots of time. Yes, if you are a person who is talking, hello, how are you? Did you eat? Oh, I also eat. Don't do that, please. If your girlfriend and you have a growth mindset, like they also want to grow in their life, then it is very, very beneficial for you. It will benefit you. But if she is like, hello, did you eat it, my baby? So it will really harm you. It will consume or absorb your energy. And if you don't have a girlfriend, then you will use those energy in something very beneficial work, which really need your energy. You just wasting your time on something. There is no ROI, return on investment. You are not going to get married. You really want to explore more and more. You really want to make lots of girlfriends. So I would say don't spend more than 1 hour. That is maximum. Okay. So it will really waste your lots of time. So only give time. I'm not saying don't give time and this. No, I'm saying give time only 1 hour. And then use your time in something which is really good for your career or anything. Anything. Got it? So if you got a girlfriend, please do this stuff. Only talk for 1 hour. And if you didn't make it, that is not wonderful. If you think, bro, I have no girlfriend, that is crazy. No, that is bad thing. I talked about on that video. I don't think you watched it or not. Go and watch. Why you should make a girlfriend. So don't get happy if you don't have a girlfriend. That is not, you should not get happy to think about, oh, I don't have a girlfriend. Fuck it. Listen, you have a girlfriend? Okay. Don't spend your time too much. Understood? Now, second thing is, try to make your girlfriend and say to her, what's your plan in 10 years or 5-year plan, 10-year plan. Ask what do you really want to be. And if she says, what the fuck? What are you talking about? Why you don't talk about romance, this and that? What are you talking? This is bullshit. First, go and ask these things. And if she says, this is bullshit, don't talk about like this thing. Bro, you have to get rid of that relationship. It will never help you to grow in your life. You need a girlfriend who make you or say to you, go, use your full potential and always give you courage to go. I'm always with you. That type of girl you need. But, if you got a girlfriend who said, "Did you eat my baby?" No, yes, baby, I also eat. Did you? What the fuck? Please don't do that. You can do when you get married. And now your most important thing is what? What is the most important thing now? It's growing every single day. And if you talk like this bullshit thing, then how will you grow? So you need to talk something which really help you. Say to your girlfriend, let's watch podcast together. You will spend your time, and it is very effective time you are utilizing. You are utilizing your time with your girlfriend, and you both will grow by watching podcast. You can read books together. I know if you can't read at home, you can go to park where you can read. So these things you should do. But if you don't need to make a girlfriend. First, make a girlfriend, and if you don't see these things, to get rid of it. Why? Because you already build lots of skills which you can attract any woman, and now you attracted, but that woman is not satisfied you, so you can get rid of this woman. Got it? Got it? I would not never say don't make a girlfriend. Make a girlfriend. Then if you realize no, she's not that one. She's not my dream girl. She's not pushing me towards my dreams. So, okay, push it. Understood? Very simple. Okay, very simple. So, if she pushes you, go my dear, and make you or try to push you, go. Just go for it. You can do it. I'm always with you. These type of things, then you should stay in that relationship. But if you're wasting your time, please, go. Get rid of that relationship. It not benefits you. I know. It sound, bro, what are you saying? Benefits, we are not talking, we love it. We love each other. Benefit, that is business things. What the hell are you saying? You are a child now. You are a teenager. You are adult. And your work is to grow. So don't talk these things with bro benefit. Yes, we talk about benefit. If we don't get any benefit, then why the hell we do anything at all? Okay, are you getting my point? Benefit in the sense she or he make you grow. Okay.